Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explain what Wireshark is, how to install it, provide an overview of the main components in the Wireshark interface, and demonstrate several basic practical functions that testers can use in their work. This video is a part of the Udemy course Manual Software Testing Interview Q&A for QA. For more information, check the description below the video. That is, how to begin capturing network traffic packets and perform protocol analysis. How to create and apply filter expressions to view only the packets that match certain criteria. How to create custom coloring rules based on specific conditions or packet attributes. How to use expert analysis information that flags potential problems or abnormal behaviors in the network traffic. How to find different kinds of statistics related to your captured packets. How to export captured packets or specific subsets of packets to various file formats. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with what Wireshark is. Wireshark is a free and open-source network protocol analyzer used to network troubleshooting, analysis, and packet inspection. It's widely regarded as one of the most powerful and popular tools in the field of network analysis. Wireshark allows users to capture, analyze, and dissect network packets in real time or from pre-captured files. To download and install Wireshark, search for Wireshark in search engine, such as Google. Click on the first link in the search results. We are navigating to the wireshark.org website. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Get Started button. Click on it. The page will be scrolled down to the list of available operating systems for installation. Select the desired operating system and click on it. The installation file will be downloaded to your device. Go to the destination folder with the installation file and start installing the application. The Wireshark setup window will be displayed. For installing Wireshark, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the application is installed, click on the Finish button on the Completing Wireshark Setup window to finish the installation. Find the Wireshark icon on your desktop or in your device's application menu and click on it. The application launches and the Wireshark Network Analyzer welcome screen will be displayed. Let's take a look at the main navigation options. Wireshark provides a user-friendly graphical interface that allows users to capture, analyze, and inspect network traffic. On the welcome screen, you'll see capture options. Before starting a packet capture, you can select the network interface from which you want to capture traffic. Wireshark will display a list of available interfaces, and you can choose the one you wish to monitor. The next is the packet list pane. This is the main section of the Wireshark interface. It displays a list of captured packets, with each row representing a single packet. The columns in this pane provide details such as the packet number, time of capture, source and destination addresses, protocol used, and packet length. The next is the Capture toolbar. The Capture toolbar is Wireshark provides quick access to various features and functionalities for capturing, analyzing, and filtering network packets and consists of Start, Stop, Restart, and other buttons. The next is the Packet Details pane. When you click on the packet in the packet list, the packet details will be displayed in this pane. It shows the dissected content of the selected packet, including various protocol fields and their values. The next is Filtering and Search. Wireshark allows you to apply filters to the captured packets, enabling you to focus on specific types of traffic. You can filter packets based on protocols, source or destination addresses, or specific data patterns. The search bar lets you quickly find packets containing specific keywords. The next is the Packet Bytes panel. This panel displays the raw hexadecimal content of the selected packet, which is useful for detailed analysis of the packet structure. The next is the Packet Header panel. The Packet Header panel provides a hierarchical view of the packet headers, allowing you to expand and collapse different protocol layers to inspect individual fields. Now that we have covered the main navigations of Wireshark, let's explore its practical aspects. And our first question is, how to begin capturing network traffic packets and perform protocol analysis? Network traffic refers to the data that is transmitted over a computer network between different devices, such as computers, servers, routes, and other network-enabled devices. It includes all the packets of data that are sent and received over the network. To begin capturing network traffic and perform protocol analysis using Wireshark, follow these steps. Launch the Wireshark application. Depending on your operating system, you may need administrative privileges to capture network traffic. After launching Wireshark, you'll see a list of available network interfaces. A network interface, also known as a network adapter or network interface card, NIC, is a hardware component that allows a device to connect to a computer network and communicate with other devices on the network. It provides the physical and data link layer functionalities required to transmit and receive data over the network. Choose the network interface through which you want to capture traffic, for example Ethernet, Wi-Fi. Click on the interface to start capturing traffic on that interface. Or, if you want to capture traffic for several interfaces at the same time, click on the Capture menu at the top. The Capture menu will be displayed. Here you can choose which interface you would like to capture traffic on. Choose the desired interface and click on the Start button to begin capturing network traffic. The Packet List panel will be displayed. As the traffic is being captured, you'll see a real-time listing of captured packets in the main window. You can view various details like source and destination addresses, packet lengths, protocols, etc. Click on the packet in the packet list. The packet details will be displayed in this panel. In Wireshark, the packet details refer to the information and data displayed for each captured network packet. Inside packet details, you can review details such as frame number, time, protocol, length, info, protocol hierarchy, time to live, etc. This information is displayed in the corresponding drop-down menus of the Packet Header panel. Click on it and review. The same Packet Header panel will display at the bottom left corner of the Packet List panel. Beside the Packet Header panel, in the Packet List panel, you will find the Packet Bytes panel that locates at the bottom right corner of the screen. And the same panel you can find on the Packet Details window. To find details about the hexadecimal content of the Packet Bytes panel, click on the desired raw hexadecimal content of the selected packet, such as 2C45. The desired drop-down menu will the details, such as identification field, will be opened and highlighted on the Packet Header panel. To identify the desired packet, you can mark it. Right-click on the mouse and choose the Mark Unmark Packet option. Alternatively, you can use the Ctrl+M option on your keyboard. The packet becomes highlighted in the packet list. In addition to the highlighting, you can leave a comment on each packet. Right-click on the mouse and choose Packet Comments, add a new comment option in the menu list. The Add Packet Comment window will be displayed. Here you can add corresponding comments such as packet testing notes and click on the OK button. The comment will be displayed at the top of the Packet Header panel on the Packet List and Packet Details panel. Let's move on to the next question. How to create and apply filter expressions to view only the packets that match certain criteria. To apply filter expressions to view only the packets that match certain criteria, find Filtering and search at the top of the interface. In the filter bar, you can enter your filter expression. For example, if you want to view only TCP traffic, you can enter TCP as the filter expression. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It's one of the core protocols of the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP/IP, and is used for reliable and ordered delivery of data packets over a network, typically the Internet. TCP operates the transport layer of the OSI model and is responsible for establishing and maintaining a connection between two devices, ensuring the reliable delivery of data and handling flow control and congestion control. Enter a keyword such as TCP. Wireshark will display the filter toolbar with commonly used filter expressions. Choose TCP and click on the arrow icon on the top right side of the search field. Wireshark will now display only the packets that match the specified criteria. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators such as AND, OR to create more complex filter expressions. For example, to view only TCP or UDP traffic, you can use the filter expression TCP or UDP. Also, you can prepare a packet from the list as a filter expression. To do that, select the desired packet from the packet list. Then, right-click on the mouse and choose Prepare as a Filter Selected option. The desired filter keyword will be displayed on the search field, and you can make a search with the corresponding filter expression that was automatically defined. Click Enter and review the results. The other option is to apply a desired packet from the packet list as a filter expression. To do that, select the desired packet from the packet list. Then, right-click on the mouse and choose Apply as a Filter Selected option. The desired filter keyword will be displayed on the search field, and the search result will be changed according to the filter expression. Let's now try to create the filter expression. To create filter expressions, find the Analyze tab on the top navigation bar and click on the Display Filters option. The Display Filter window will be displayed. In Wireshark, the Display Filter window, also known as the Filter Expression window, allows you to create, edit, and apply filter expressions to view specific packets that match certain criteria. To create a filter expression, click on the plus button on the bottom left side of the displayed filter window. In the Display Filter field, enter your filter expression using the display's filter syntax. The filter syntax allows you to specify conditions to match certain packets. For example, to filter packets only from the desired IP address, use the filter expression ip.crs equals 192.168.0.1. If the syntax is correct, the field will be highlighted with a green color. Click on the OK button below the Display Filter window. Then enter the IP keyword into the search field, and you will see that your filter expression appears at the filter toolbar. Let's move on to the next question. How to create custom coloring rules based on specific conditions or packet attributes. To create custom coloring rules based on specific conditions or packet attributes, go to the View menu in the main Wireshark window and select Coloring Rules. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C, Command-Shift-C on Mac to open the Coloring Rules dialog. The Coloring Rules window will be displayed. Click on the New button to add a new coloring rule. In the Coloring Rule configuration window, specify the following rules. The first is Name. Give a descriptive name to your rule. Next, define the filter expression that will be used to apply the coloring rule. The filter expression follows the same syntax as display filters. Then choose the foreground text color and background color for packets that match the filter criteria. Click on the foreground background color icons below the Color Rule window. Select the desired color and click on the OK button. The rule will be highlighted with the desired color on the Coloring Rules window. Go back to the Packet List panel and you will see that the packet list highlights with the applied color rule. If the rule does not apply, go to the View tab of the main navigation bar. Choose the Colorize Conversation option and then choose any color on the list. Colorize Conversation is a feature in Wireshark that allows you to apply colors to packets based on their relationship to a particular conversation. A conversation in Wireshark refers to a communication exchange between two endpoints, such as a client and a server, identified by their IP addresses and port numbers. After choosing Colorize Conversation, the corresponding changes with the color of packets will be displayed on the packet rows. Let's move on to the next question. How to use expert analysis information that flags potential problems or abnormal behaviors in the network's traffic. Wireshark's Expert Info provides valuable analysis information about captured packets. It identifies potential issues, errors, and anomalies in the network traffic, helping you troubleshoot and diagnose network problems. To use the Expert Info in Wireshark, follow the next steps. Open Wireshark and load a packet capture file or start capturing packets using your network interface. In the main Wireshark window, click on the red Expert Info icon at the bottom. The Wireshark Expert Information window will be displayed. The Expert Info messages are color-coded to indicate the severity of the issues. Red, errors that need immediate attention. Yellow, warnings that might require investigation. Black, informational messages with no critical impact. To view all messages, click on the small triangle next to Expert Info to expand the section. Also, you can navigate to the packet of the problem. To navigate directly to the packet causing the problem, right-click on the mouse, choose the Find option, and click on it. And you will be navigated to the Packet List panel with highlighted packet, which leads to an error. On the search field, you will see the repaired syntax to find more related errors, and the packet header panel will highlight the error. Let's move on to the next question. How to find different kinds of statistics related to your captured packets. In Wireshark, you can find a wide range of statistics related to the captured network traffic. Some of the key statistics you can find in Wireshark include Capture File Properties. Click on the Statistic option of the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Then choose Capture File Properties and click on it. The Capture File Properties window will be displayed. The Capture File Properties dialog will display various details about the packet capture file, including general information, time, interfaces, statistics, comments. It allows users to verify the capture settings, identify the network interfaces used, and analyze the overall capture performance. The next is the protocol hierarchy. Click on the Statistics option on the main navigation bar. Then choose the Protocol Hierarchy option and click on it. The Protocol Hierarchy Statistics window will be displayed. The protocol hierarchy allows you to quickly grasp the composition of your captured packets and the protocols used in the network communication. Once you assess the protocol hierarchy, you will see a tree-like structure that shows the breakdown of packet distribution by different protocols. The most common protocols like Ethernet, IP, TCP, UDP, HTTP, DNS, etc. will be listed, and you can expand each protocol to see further subprotocols. The next key statistic is conversations. Click on the Statistics option of the main navigation bar. Then choose Conversations and click on it. The Conversations window will be displayed. Conversation statistics in Wireshark provide valuable insights into the network communication between different hosts, IP addresses. This feature allows you to analyze and understand the volume of traffic and the characteristics of communication between specific hosts. The next key statistic is endpoints. Click on the Statistics option on the main navigation bar. Then choose Endpoints and click on it. The endpoint window will be displayed. In Wireshark, When you capture network traffic, it records the communication between various endpoints. An endpoint is identified by its IP address, IP version 4 or IP version 6, or its MAC address for Ethernet-based networks. Each packet is the captured data contains information about the source and destination endpoints, allowing Wireshark to analyze the network traffic and display conversations between different endpoints. Let's move on to the next question. How to export captured packets or specific subsets of packets to various file formats. To export captured packets or specific subsets of packets to various file formats in Wireshark, first you need to select the packets you want to export. You can choose to export all packets or apply filters to select specific subsets of packets. Select the desired packet, then click on the File option on the top navigation menu. Find Export Packet Dissection option. In the menu, choose the format in which you want to export your packet, such as CSV, and click on it. The Export Packet Dissection window will be displayed. Name a file, select a format in which you want to export your packet, and click on the Save button. Then open the exported file, and you will see the exported data in the desired format. That's all from our side. In this video, we reviewed the main functions of Wireshark tool. If there are functions that you would like to see and which were not in the video, write a comment or question to the lecturer. We hope to see you in the next video.